breaking inputs coming in. Aam Aadmi Party has now hit back at Swati Maliwal, calls Swati Maliwal a BJP agent, also says Swati Maliwal should resign as AAP's Rajya Sabha MP.
कि अफजल गुरु के समय पर उनके माता पिता ने ऐसा आप ही के एक पूर्व सांसद जो हैं स्वाति मालीवाल आप ही की मौजूदा सांसद हैं, उन्होंने आपको
देखिए, आप सब लोग इस बात को समझिए, स्वाति मालीवाल जी ऐसी इंसान हैं कि जो राज्यसभा जाने के लिए टिकट आम आदमी पार्टी से लेती हैं, लेकिन प्रतिक्रिया देने के लिए, बोलने के लिए स्क्रिप्ट जो है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से लेती हैं। और मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि थोड़ी बहुत भी अगर शर्म हो, थोड़ी बहुत भी लज्जा हो, तो उन्हें आम आदमी पार्टी का राज्यसभा का टिकट त्याग देना चाहिए, राज्यसभा सांसद पद से इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए और अब उनको भारतीय जनता पार्टी से राज्यसभा जाने का रास्ता चुनना चाहिए। राज्यसभा में रहने का शौक है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से राज्यसभा का टिकट लेना चाहिए उन्हें। धन्यवाद।
मुझे भी कह रही है कि डमी
मेरी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि जब भी चीफ मिनिस्टर चेंज होते हैं तो पूरे का पूरा कैबिनेट डिसॉल्व होता है, तो ऑब्वियस है। देखो, स्वाति मालीवाल जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के स्पोक्स पर्सन है, उनका जो एजेंडा है वो बोल रही हैं, तो उस पर मुझे कोई कमेंट करने की मुझे नहीं लगता कोई ज़रूरत है। और अगर इतना ही है तो उनको इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए और भाजपा का बन जाना चाहिए, उनके तरफ से एमपी बन जाना चाहिए।
बनने को लेकर के
क्या कहा आपने?
डमी सीएम बनाया गया, डमी सीएम बना दिया।
ठीक है, बीजेपी को जो करना है करे। जनता, 2 करोड़ जनता मिलकर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को वापस मुख्यमंत्री बनाने के लिए संघर्ष करेगी।
Let's go across to Priyank now. Priyank, so chorus growing in the Aam Aadmi Party, one hitting out at Swati Maliwal, calling her a BJP agent and also saying that she should quit.
Yeah, Sati, this Sati suggesting that there is no voice of dissent in the party, where the leaders are themselves saying that Swati Maliwal has been getting the script from Bharatiya Janata Party and she's not doing the party's line. So that's quite clear that the Aam Aadmi Party is giving a picture that anyone who has to speak has to Sati talk on the party's line. They should not have their own opinion. Although it's their own internal rift, we should wait for all the sides of statement and we should welcome that. But Swati, I would like to show you this location where we are standing, where all the action is going to shift here, where you can see all these media cameras are waiting for the Delhi Chief Minister, the anti-corruption crusader, who was later on portrayed as someone who's totally into corruption, and later to that we saw that how he has spent his time in jail. So Arvind Kejriwal coming to the LG's house is the next big development which is expected to happen in any moment from now. This is the Lieutenant Governor's house here in the national capital, where all the security arrangement has been made, because what we are getting to know that now the cabinet ministers will also come here. It was initially conveyed by the LG's office that the meeting was only scheduled in between the LG of the national capital, Mr. V.K. Saxena, and Arvind Kejriwal, the present chief minister of the state, who will be a former chief minister within half an hour from now. So this particular meeting is for half an hour. What we are getting to know that there will be a memorandum which is also expected to be given, which will be a kind of a proposal from the cabinet meeting, which has happened, the party MLA's meeting, which happened at 11 a.m. today, which will be having the name of Atishi Malina. But soon after she was proposed as the next CM designate, Atishi came out and said that she's not going to celebrate, because this is a responsibility which has been given to her as a interim chief minister of the national capital. She herself is saying that I will be the chief minister till the next election, and from the next election Arvind Kejriwal will come up and he will become as a chief minister. So the basic factors Delhi need to think that if Atishi Malina is already coming up with a mindset that she is going to be there for the short-term time period and the next chief minister will be Arvind Kejriwal, whether she will be able to deliver at the maximum or not, because in these kind of thing it all generally happens in the coalition government, where the one party gets 2.5 years of time period and then the party gets a 2.5 of time period. It's a matter of few months when she will be the chief minister. So someone coming up with a mindset.
At Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Priyank, stay on with us. Let me go across to Tej Tetri. Tetri, who all have arrived at CM's residence. He is the CM right now before he tenders his resignation.
Well, yes, Arvind Kejriwal is going to tender his resignation. Currently, he is the chief minister, but in few minutes from now, he will tender his resignation. And just what we are expecting is that he can leave his residence anytime from now. We would like to show you the visuals over here. That's what's happening outside the security mode. The forces have been deployed over here. All the ministers, as you were asking, so as to who is present inside as of now, who has gone inside. So in fact saw Atishi was inside, Gopal Rai had also gone inside, and Saurabh Bharadwaj. So all in all, what we are picking from our party sources is that the cabinet ministers all have reached over here at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and from here, any time from now, very soon, they will be leaving the residence of Arvind Kejriwal and straight away going to LG Secretariat, LG office, and there he will be meeting the LG and will be tendering his resignation and also be putting forward the proposal for the formation of new government. So back-to-back big developments taking place. First of all, the meeting took place. Then there was the announcement of new chief minister. Then there is this 4:30 p.m. the resignation lined up, and next we have to see that when will be the oath taking ceremony. But all eyes are on this particular gate of Arvind Kejriwal's residence the moment he comes out, and then he will be going to the LG VK Saxena to tender his resignation. Remember that it is not for the first time for Arvind Kejriwal to resign from the post of chief minister. Remember that back in 2013 also he had resigned. The reasons were different because he was not able to pass the Jan Lokpal bill for which he was protesting. That was the Anna Andolan. But yes, that time the scenario was different, the circumstances, the situations were different, and this time the situation, the circumstances are completely different. That time he was leading the anti-corruption movement, and this time he wants to clear his image because he has a big dent of corruption on him. He has the allegations of corruption on him. So you see the irony, that year 2013 and now 2024, huge difference. But
All right, Tetri, the Bharatiya Janata Party is addressing a press conference. Let's cut live to it. Stay on with us.